Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the country you are, my beautiful people. It's me, your girl Antonia. I'm here to talk about amazing business. Who is hungry in Europe? We all are hungry. Don't depend on the government. No, we all are hungry. If you don't work, you are hungry. If you are work, you are not hungry. Yeah. Who is interested to join my amazing business? The company where I'm working, they need more people. They need more people, my dear brothers and sisters. They need more people. Where are you? Come out. Come show yourself now. Jump in. This company is there. They need more people that they will chop their money. There is money in this company. If I say there is money, it's bizef. When Morocco people talk, say bizef. The money is bizef. If you are interested for this business, amazing business, where I'm working, this Juice Plus company where I'm working, my dear, you need to test it. Test and see that the Lord is good. If you don't test something, you will not know whether it's sweet or it's not sweet. No. What you know, you test it. When I saw a lady on Facebook, he explained the business. I said, do you sure this business is a real? Let me try it. I jump in. It's 50 euro. If 50 euro loss, that is not my problem. You understand? I said, let me use 50 euro and get what I'm looking for. I use 50 euro. I use register. The month I register, I bring people. I sell. I got a lot of money for inside the business. And the second month, because I start October 17, 2019. Understand? And the second month, which is November, I get my first promotion. That first promotion, they pay me. You see, first promotion, I get my promotion. Yes, you understand? Now, so the business they go small. Before you know, you don't reach where they pay 28,000 pounds. If they pay you that 28,000 pounds with for bonus, so that is not your commission. Bonus. You will 2 months they pay you 28,000. How much be that? You will not think how to work again. You say, no, I will go and bring my people to join this business. This business, there is money. If you are hungry, you are interested for this business, my dear, inbox me. We trade together, learn together. What are you waiting for? You are in Europe, you don't work. Nothing to do. My dear, you need to come out. Don't wait for somebody. Don't wait for someone else. If I do for you today, tomorrow, my dear, next tomorrow I will say, I beg, I not fit do for you again, because I get family. I need to feed my people. I need to feed my children. I need to feed my husband. Yes, because when your husband do for you, you do for him. You can't wait only your husband will do for you money tonight, every blessed day, money. No, your husband get family now. Try. Reason that one. Your husband get family. You need to help your family. Not be only you woman. Your husband will help. No. We are a human being. This hand watch this hand. This hand watch this one. If you do for your husband do for you. Don't wait that only your husband will do for you money till night, day and night. No. That will cut a lot of marriage cut off. Maybe your husband for house, your husband for year, your husband for everywhere, you will tire. Only your husband they work, you know they work. Only your wife they work, you know they work. Try to jump inside things when you they do. If not this business I'm doing, try to look for another business you will make money. You understand? If you want to invest for something, now little. If you don't have where you will see 50 euro tomorrow, how you take get am? You never go thief. Your mind will dey reason different things. My dear, there is time now to start your life. 2020 we are in. Now business opportunity now they share. Business opportunity, there is time to work with your life. Not be when you don't dey get old, you come dey use your old age dey work, my dear. That is not fair. Where you need help now, somebody introduce you for business amazing. Jump in, my dear. Jump in. Business opportunity. They say opportunity came but once. Na so they talk. It's true. If you come today pass tomorrow, you no go see am again. The best thing, jump in today. Don't wait for tomorrow that tomorrow will come, tomorrow, next tomorrow. Na so time dey go. Na 2019 don pass, na 2029 we dey so. This 2020 na before you know your age don reach pass that year, that last year. You know see, they add the journal, before you know you don old. You say, I no fit work with old age. When you dey young, you no use your body work. You no work say I wan work, make I know say I don sweat for this Europe. When you come dey get old, you say abeg I no fit use my old age take work. As you dey young like me now, you need to work. You need to shine yourself, work, jump in this amazing business I'm doing. It's Juice Plus, but I'm doing it on my own house. Now my house now, because I dey pay house rent. If I no fit buy the house now, I dey pay house rent on my own. Yourself I don comot for inside before, not be my own. If I don still comot out, that's not be my own. As I dey pay house rent now, na my own. I dey build my business now, so that I will use it to buy my own house for future, for tomorrow. You understand? If you are interested to join this amazing business,